Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Monday.com CRM boards for sales tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Monday.com account. Navigate to the dashboard where your CRM boards are located. Identify the specific CRM board you want to verify for sales tracking. Click on the board to open it. Review the existing columns to ensure they are set up for sales tracking. Check for essential columns such as deals, stages, and closing dates. If these columns are missing, create them by selecting the plus icon. Adjust the column types as necessary, ensuring they suit your sales data. Next, look at the automations in place. Verify that automations are set up to notify you of changes in deals. For example, set up alerts for deals moving between stages. Now, inspect the filters on your board. Use filters to display only the relevant sales data you want to track. Adjust the view as necessary for your current sales cycle. Once your columns and filters are set, check for integrations with other tools. Link your email or calendar apps if needed to streamline your workflow. Now, review your sales pipeline stages. Ensure they accurately reflect your sales process from lead to close. Consider adding a visual representation of your sales funnel. Utilize charts or graphs to visualize your progress effectively. Lastly, save all changes before exiting the board. This will ensure your setup is ready for efficient tracking of sales activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.